What's going on, guys? Richard here. We're going to cover relational dynamics in this segment. In this branch of ministry, we're going to cover the relational dynamics. And I hope this branch of ministry blesses you and it serves you however it can. So we're going to begin with what are your relational dynamics? Because depending on your relational dynamics, it's going to affect the way you engage with other people that you want to court or date or see, right? So we are going to cover all those issues on this branch, right? We're going to produce more material as we go along. And today we want to just start with the basics and introductions. I'm coming at this from a biblical, traditional point of view, right? A traditional, conservative point of view. So that is the position that I'm coming from, and I hope this works for you. So, and whatever works for you, and hopefully it will work for you. And I know it will work for you, and because it's been done for over and over in every culture of the world. Okay, so let us begin with the fundamentals. We know that it takes two to tango. It takes two to be in a relationship. It takes two to make things work. Okay, so without further ado, let's cover this here. So number one, you need two people to work a relationship. A relationship is like a garden. The man plants. The female waters. Or vice versa. It's called reciprocation. You reciprocate accordingly. You don't overwater the flower. You don't underwater the flower. You just water whatever type of plant it is accordingly. Because when you overwater something, you're going to kill it, or when you underwater something, there's going to be problems. So both require to be doing something to add to the garden. This new exciting garden is like a new uncultivated field. It's a lot of stuff in the way. It's uncharted. It's exciting. It's new. But both of you need to be present, but both of you need to show up. It's okay to be present, but you also got to show up because you both have a distinctive, important role to play. And that is our next segment. We're going to study the roles. And this is just a brief introduction about our series on this channel, our added series on this channel. And we're going to cover all this stuff. We're going to cover the modern day dating, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to cover that. And yeah, we're going to cover a lot of things. And so basically, this is a fundamental, a quick rundown of what we're going to cover. And it's just amazing. It's going to be amazing. I'm excited to be there with you. And I'm excited to have a fellowship, friendship, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to do. That I'm excited to just be there for you, pray for you, and help you and serve you. And let's do it. And again, depending on your view, depending what garden instructions you're using, it's going to affect how you're going to be gardening, right? But here's the thing: You can, even though you might be in a different garden, fundamentally, the plants, they're the same, but each plant is different in frequency and watering and tending and caring. And that is a picture of you. Each person's garden is different, distinct, and each of you have different temperaments, different styles, different, some of you go more down ho, some of you more like reserved, but the fundamentals remain unchanged. So I'll see you soon.